Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is picking the winner of the EP box for the 3K giveaway. So exciting. Before I pick a winner, I always like to shout out some other channels that helped me get here. I really think that as a small YouTuber, having a YouTube community, especially to help get you to not only that first 1,000, but probably like that first 5,000, so I'll probably continue to do this up till we hit 5,000. YouTube shares your videos to more people when they have comments and likes and all of that. So as a subscriber, you guys help me out every time you like my video and every time you comment on my video. Even if your comment is something small or if you think you don't have anything to say, it means so much to me when you comment on it because YouTube sees that interaction and thinks that my video is worthwhile. So when you're a small YouTuber, you try to build that community with channels, find channels that you really enjoy what they're doing and you enjoy watching them. It becomes easy to regularly visit that channel and become community with them. So here are two channels that I'm going to shout out that during this last time from when I hit 2,000 to when I hit 3,000 just seemed to be really active and really wanting to form that community with me. I definitely don't believe in sub for sub. I don't think that works. One, you're watching videos that you have zero interest in half the time because it's just random channels. I do feel that when you have people that are starting out and you guys can help each other out, that is a really good thing to do. So if anybody comments on my videos, and I am very behind on this, but I do save what video I am up to, I click on every single comment. And I'll probably do that until I have more than 100 comments, and then maybe I'll just do the first 100 because right now it's manageable. But if my channel were to continue to grow, I don't know how many comments I could actually click and watch your videos. If somebody is commenting, I click on their channel name, it takes me to their channel page, and if I haven't already watched their last video, which if I'm just subscribed I probably have, I will comment on that video. I will only subscribe to them if I really enjoy their content. It does not make sense for you to just subscribe to people just to subscribe to them because it'll get boring or it'll get annoying, or if they're not commenting on your video, then you're not gonna want to comment on their video, and it just becomes this whole like thing. So I comment on a lot of people's video that I'm not subscribed to them, and if they keep commenting on mine, I keep commenting on theirs because I think that's the right thing to do. But I don't want to give them an empty subscription where like the only reason I'm subscribed to them is for reciprocity. Like, I really want to enjoy the YouTube that I watch, and I hope that you guys are only subscribed to me if you really want to watch me. It does not hurt my feelings. If you do not want to watch me, please don't subscribe to me and feel like it's an obligation, because I don't believe in that on YouTube. Like, I want my subscribers to want to be here. So these two channels will be featured on my page. Basically, if you go to my channel homepage, it lists everyone that I've shouted out. So I had two when I hit 500. It was the Little Makeup Channel and Carter Confidential. Then I had two when I hit 1,000, and that was Kathrin McCarty and Itsalexmimii 88. And then I had two when I hit 2,000, and that was Angela Boss and Nathan Pine. So far we have 6 channels listed there. So the first shout out goes to Jackie Naturals. She comments not only on every single video, but it feels like she comments on everything that happens in every single video. And I really appreciate that not only does that mean she's watching to the end, she's actually paying attention while she's watching. I know that's not easy. Sometimes I have 40 or 50 videos I have to watch because maybe I'm behind, something happened. So I'll play them while I'm working, or I'll play them while I'm working out or whatever. But to give it completely undivided attention for the entire video, for every video I've posted, and I post 3 videos a week, like, she definitely deserves to be on this featured channels list. Like, that is like a plus. So thank you so much, Jackie. She also has really amazing content. She does unboxings just like I do. So if you like my content, you'll probably also like her content. And she's super sweet. Like, she has such a sweet personality and has her son who's like, he like loves being in the videos, and you can just tell like their dynamic together is so cute. I love when they make videos together. So definitely go check her out. It will be linked down below, and it'll be in my featured channels page on my profile. The second channel, I try to keep them a little bit different, like they do different things. I'm gonna shout out Mega Millions Mike. He is also a channel that has commented, I'm pretty sure, on every single video that I've posted. I don't think he cares about makeup, and I don't think he cares about unboxing. I think he's genuinely just supporting me just because he like cares about my personality or thinks I'm funny or cool, or I don't really know why, but I don't think the content is really for him. I keep promising him that I will do an Oreo unboxing or a food unboxing or something, so that it'll be content that he wants to watch, but he still is very supportive. I personally love some of his videos because he does Disney World videos, and I am kind of obsessed with Disney World. I think last year I went 3 or 4 times, not 100% sure, but I love all things Disney, so that is how I got hooked. But in general, his channel is about scratchers, and I do scratchers, but not that often. So those videos, they are very relaxing to watch though, especially when there's just like a nice like music background and you're just watching all the numbers get scratched off. It's kind of satisfying and relaxing. I really don't know why, but those are the 2 types of videos that he makes on his channel. They're always funny and interesting, and he has like so many people on his channel too, which is, I don't know, he has like a whole Mega Millions Mike team, so he will also be featured and will also be linked down below. So now, let's get to the part where you guys really want to know who wanted the EP box. So I'm going to switch to my phone. Step 1 is we're gonna spin this wheel. It has Friday, Sunday, and Wednesday's video on here. Whatever video it lands on is the video that we will use for our random comment picker. Friday's video, the high maintenance, how to be high maintenance at home video. That is the video we're gonna pull. So if you did comment on all 3 videos, you have the best chance because this is the one that had the least amount of days to comment too. I just took this URL and then we'll go in this random comment picker and paste the URL. Duplicate users just means that if somebody comments 10 times, they're only going to get 1 entry. Okay, so total unique comments, 100 people. 100 people entered on this video. And then we click start. Kristen Kelly. Kristen Kelly is the winner. Now we just need to check that she's a subscriber, so you can actually just click right on the winner like that. And I am right there. So Kristen Kelly, you are the winner. You just have to contact me or comment. You have to comment on this video within 3 days. I will pin that comment so everybody knows that you claimed your prize. So congratulations to Kristen Kelly. You have 3 days to comment on this video and claim your prize. I hope you see it in the next 3 days. If you do not, I'll try to reach you if you left IG or any other way to contact you as well. But comment below, then email me, and I will tell you in the email how to choose what you want to choose, and you'll give me your address and all of that. So all the information of how to email me is also in the comments. I'm gonna pin my comment until Kristen comments, and then I will pin her comment so everyone can see that she claimed her prize. Literally, Kristen, you can comment whatever you want, just like, hello, it's me, I won, whatever you want. We're almost halfway to 4K, so thank you guys so much for that as well. So don't you worry, even if you did not win this EP box, another EP box is coming. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!